if you just want to record your voice, then Talking Comment is a very good tool. You can find it in the Chrome Web Store, and you can use the link below that will take you directly to where to download it. You just click on the button here, add to Chrome, and then it downloads, and whenever you go to Chrome you have it. And for example, if you want to start recording, you go to the circle here with the microphone and you click on it, and it immediately starts to record your voice. When you're done, you click on the green dot, and then it finishes, and automatically you get the link copied. You write OK, and then you just paste the link wherever you want it, in an email, for example, or at LaWeb. So good luck with that. Bye for now.